we can continue. Okay, so we went from summary to goals, then
Yeah,
we
goals.
came
Yeah,
to.
you opened the yeah, you opened it. So now I'll just let you know that we have kept, I see that you have kept the same value for this. Just letting you know, apart from purchases, if you are tracking like a button click or a form submission, you don't have to keep a value. All
Mm-hmm.
right. So you can just open the value section and just choose, don't use a value for this conversion action, which is the third one. All right. Okay. Now click on save, please, on the right
Can
hand
you
side.
again
Yeah.
define me why we are choosing this option?
Yeah, because for purchases, we need a value. Okay,
Okay,
for other conversions, we don't need a value
got
because
it.
there is no
So
monetary
it is
value
basically used,
attached to it. Okay.
yeah, it is basically used when we are selling something.
Yeah, like basically, if you see, for example, if you're selling something and if you want to track how many purchases have been made and what was the revenue out of it, and then
Got
if
it.
you keep it as zero, then you will not receive any because the value will get multiplied with that zero and you will not get any value there. Okay,
Right,
so for
right,
that
right.
we just keep. Yeah. So for all other conversions, you don't need a value for your campaigns. So again, it's a choice, but again, something that I just wanted to let you know. Can you click on
Thank you.
done, please?
Where? Done. Done.
Done. Yeah. Okay. Now, similarly, go back and open the CMA form as well and just see if the value is kept there as well. Yeah. Click on edit settings, value, don't use the value.
And is there any changes we need to do in source or something here?
No, no. You don't have to change that.
Got it.
All right. So our conversions are ready. Could you please take me to your Google Tag Manager now? Okay. Now, could you please open the one that we are using? I think the first one itself. So, yeah. Okay. Now click on tags on the left hand side, please. Yes. We just wanted to give some information that the container, right? It has
Mm-hmm.
to have a conversion linker. So any container that you are working with, firstly, the codes have to be added in the backend of the website, which is already done.
Right.
Secondly, the conversion linker has to be added to all the pages. Now, the conversion linker will try to, like connect with the code that is added and it will try to drop the first party cookies on all your pages so that the data gets recorded. Okay. So
Got
click
it.
on the new tag, click on tag configuration, the first one. No, no, just don't click on learn more, just click on the tag configuration button. Yeah. Now click on conversion linker, which is the fifth option. Okay, now scroll down to the bottom. Now the trigger fires the tag, okay? So we will be keeping the trigger as all pages. Click on triggering, click on all pages. This is a must for every container that you are working with, all right? So click on save.
Okay. So now we have set the conversion linker. So on any page in this website will be triggering this tag. You mean to say?
Yeah, only conversion linker tag, nothing to do with the thank you page
Got
as
it.
of now. So just
Got
click on keep. Yeah, save. I will also share some documents, like I will share the support document with you regarding the Google Tag Manager. You can go through that as well. Okay.
Thank
Right
you.
now, let's do one thing. Let's complete the implementation because this is also important for us.
Right.
So I'll just like see how many documents you can just search there, whatever doubts you have, so that you can get a better explanation. Okay.
Will be help. Will
So
be help.
can you click on new
Again.
tag on the top right
Mm-hmm.
now? Let's quickly yeah. So now the part is click on tag configuration, the first one. Okay, now we are taking the conversion from the Google Ads, right? So we'll just click on Google Ads.
Here.
Yes. Click on that. Okay, now Google Ads conversion tracking, the third one, because we are doing a conversion tracking. So that okay. Now you see conversion linker is already found in the container Google Ads conversion tracking we have done. Now we'll have to connect the conversions to the Google Tag Manager. So firstly, we are doing the CFA form. So can you go to the Google Ads account, open the CFA form, conversions. Yeah, open the CFA level 1 by TRA. Okay. Scroll down to the bottom, click on tags for CFA level 1 by TRN.
This one?
Yes. Click on use Google Tag Manager. Okay, now here you will find the conversion ID and the label to connect it to the Google Tag Manager. Okay.
Conversion ID, conversion level.
Label, yes.
Conversion
Go and
level.
add it in the Google Tag Manager.
Conversion value. Should I keep it? Oh, sorry.
No, the conversion value again comes when you are doing a sale,
Okay.
right? So sales are
Any transaction
like our
ID?
transaction ID. No. Again, these are all for sales. So let's not go into that right now because conversion value, transaction ID, and codes like currency code is involved when you are making a purchase or if you are tracking a purchase. Okay,
Got it.
not for page view. Scroll down to the bottom, click on triggering.
Is there anything I need to click here?
I will let you know if you have to do anything like
Okay.
that. Okay.
Triggering.
So click on triggering. Click on the plus icon on the top right because we are taking a new trigger.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Okay. Here click on trigger configuration again. Okay. Now click on page view, which is the third option.
Okay.
That you're gonna do. Okay. Now click on some page views because we don't want to track all the pages, right? We only want to track the particular thank you page that we are
Right.
desiring. So click on the page host name and change it to page path. Okay. Now page path contains what it will be. Basically, your website is already bhupesh.classes.online.
Mm-hmm.
Either we take everything page URL or we just take the page path, which is thank you page CFA level 1. So I have given you in the chat box. It will be easier for you to take it from there.
Okay.
Google Meet, you can go to the Google Meet. Yeah. Okay. Click on save. Yeah. Save it.
Can I name it to CFA page view?
Anything that you want. Yes. This is all about your personal, understanding. So save it. Okay. Now click on save on the top right and give it a name, not Google. No. Here you have to give a name because again, it will be Google Ads conversion tracking, right? Just open that Google Ads conversion tracking. Click on Google Ads conversion tracking. The link, yes. On the top left, you see it will be written as Google Ads conversion tracking. Just type there. No, on the top. You see Google Ads conversion tracking? Yes. Just type here CSA level form or something that you understand properly. Okay, perfect. Now click on save, please. Okay. Now, okay, just uncheck the box because you have checked it, right? So it's not giving you an. Okay, click on new form. Click on tag configuration. Click on Google Ads. Click on Google Ads conversion tracking. Same thing. Can you do the same thing so that you understand a little bit about this? I will be guiding you with it. Don't worry. Yeah. Click on goals.
Just give me a
Go
minute.
to the
Let
CMA
me.
form.
Yeah, here I will go and I will copy and I will do this and I will get it here.
Yes.
Copy. It will be here and then this. Copy. This will be here and triggering. Then
Plus icon on the top right.
right plus icon. Then again
Click on trigger
triggering.
configuration. Page
It's a
view.
page view. Some page view.
Some page view.
It's
I'll change it to
page
page path.
path. Now you
Now
need
I
to
will give you the page path, which is the thank you
Yeah.
page of your CMA USA page. And yeah, that is
Copy.
the one. So the implementation is this easy. Okay. So click on
Yes.
save on the top right.
And I will keep it
Save it.
CMA
Yeah, sure.
USA.
Yes.
Then again I need to give
Click
it
on save. Click on save and now change the name. Change the
CMA
name, yes. Yeah.
USA page view. Save.
Now that you have done the changes, right, you see workspace changes are 5. So you have to click on submit on the top right and publish the changes in the Google Tag Manager.
Okay.
Publish. So click on continue. Okay.
Okay.
So now that this is done, 1 minute. Oh, 1 minute. Let me just checking. Okay, close the version, go to workspace on the top left. Okay. Click on preview on the top right and let's now check that. So this is the verification that we are going to do. Click on preview. Okay, now here, okay, since we are testing the CMA USC coaching form first, let's do it. Connect it. Connect. Okay. So the tag assistant has to be, 1 minute. Um, okay, see, I'll just let you know about this tag assistant which is connected on the right hand side, right? So basically, it has to be connected on all the pages that you are doing it, right? So just make
Right.
sure that before doing any test form or test purchase or whatever it is, to check via Tag Assistant, that has to be connected. So now, can you please do a test form submission?
Okay, I will do a test. My name is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Then I will do a test at the rate testmail.com, and then your state name is UP. Okay, submit.
Okay, now click on submit.
Thank you for submitting
One
your
thing, the Tag
details.
Assistant. Oh, can you just minimize the page, please?
Mm-hmm. It's connected.
Okay, you can see that CMA USA page view has fired one time. Continue, click on continue. Can you see under the tab, the conversion linker has fired 2 times and the CMA USA page view has fired 1 time.
Where we can
Okay?
see that.
Just above your cursor.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Fired one time, fired 2 time. Got it.
Yeah.
Okay. So
Conversion
this
linker, why?
fired two
Because
time
conversion
because,
linker,
okay, why it fired 2 time? Because one for the page, landing page, and second one for the landing thank you page. Is
yes,
that so?
yes, that is basically recording the person who is coming through the ad click, right? So that is
Mm-hmm.
recording that, but the conversion will still fire on the page view that you want to track. So click on that CMA USA page view. Okay, click on show mode here. Okay, so you get the conversion ID and the label. Okay, now let's do one thing. You just close the tag assistant. This is worked. Now we have to do the CFA form as well. So can you go to the Google Tag Manager and close these tag assistants, please? We don't need it right now. Yeah, we'll have to open it again. So now here, preview it on the top right. Okay, now instead of the CMA form, you'll have to give the CFA. Yeah. Just a minute. Okay, now can you just minimize the page? Yeah, now you can see that the CFA level has one fired. Click on the CFA level 1, open it, please. Show more. Yeah, perfect. Now, please take me to your Google Ads account. This is how the implementation is done. Just take me to your Google Ads account. Just click on back and refresh the complete page. Okay, Now you can see that the statuses have changed from, yeah,
Not active to no
inactive to
recent.
no.
Right.
Yes. So inactive to no recent conversion means that the implementation is successful, and you get to, like, see the status here. This is your account level reporting. The status will only change when, when you have an ad click received by a customer, and then they go ahead and fill out the form. Okay.
Got it.
And this is the campaign level overview right now. You are seeing the clicks and impressions
It
regarding this. If you have any doubts, any issues, kindly reach out to your Google account manager for this.
and you see something is happening missing Google tag. Why it is coming here like this?
Not sure about that.
Okay, so this ad is asking, saying that conversions missing Google tag. We have just set up the whole thing. Why it is saying that?
We had just set it up. Yeah, and we had just set it up. It will not, like it might show you from for any other, like conversion which is not working at the moment. All right, because right now we have to set it up, so it will not get the data in it right now itself. Right, it will take time based on the, traffic on your website. That is how it works. The Google ads will work when you have a good traffic on the website, your ads are running properly, your campaigns are running properly, and when you are receiving the ad clicks. So can you click on the campaigns on the left hand side? You have another campaign. Can you click on that? Yeah, click on campaign. Yeah, okay. So this is your campaign level reporting again. If you wish to, import these particular campaigns that we just verified and did it, so you have to reach out to your Google account manager for that. So they will help you to, import the conversions to your Google ad, like from the account level reporting to the campaign level reporting.
Sure.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. Is there
All right.
anything else you wanted to give
Not
me?
an issue. No, so this is basically the implementation is done and it's implemented. So we'll just go ahead and close the case. We will be sending out a feedback email once your current case is closed. This feedback is focused solely on the interaction and experience you had with us during this particular case. We appreciate your continued partnership with Google. Have a great day ahead. And if any doubts, any issues regarding any other conversion or any other landing pages that you have,